Struggling with how to get MLS ASCP certification? You're not alone. Miss one critical step, and you could lose months, but in 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to get MLS ASCP certified with zero confusion. Stay tuned for the must-know details that top lab directors demand. In this video, you'll learn how to get MLS ASCP certification from start to finish. You'll know key requirements, the step-by-step process, and how to avoid the most common mistakes. This channel is built for lab pros chasing ASCP success, and that's our mission. First, check your eligibility. To get MLS ASCP certified, you must meet specific requirements, like holding a relevant bachelor's degree and completing an approved lab science program or the needed work experience. Only official ASCP guidelines count, so always verify straight from their site. Next, create an account on the ASCP Board of Certification portal. Fill out the online application, upload your documents, and pay the $250 application fee. Triple-check your paperwork. Missing documentation is the top reason for application delays. Once approved, schedule your exam at a Pearson VUE testing center. Bring valid ID, arrive early, and follow all check-in procedures. You'll get your pass/fail result immediately after finishing. Your official MLS ASCP certificate arrives by mail in a few weeks. Thousands have passed with the right prep. Get proven study guides, live classes, and realistic practice tests from the leaders at our platform. That's how to get MLS ASCP certification, step by step. Ready to go deeper? Explore our MLSIA prep. Next time, we'll reveal how to get maximum score on ASCP MLS exam. Hit subscribe or check the channel so you don't miss out.